Hi friends, this is CA Paresh Desai. Welcome to this session where we are going to see today how we are going to use the Zerodha Kite platform. Friends, this Zerodha Kite platform will open this screen as soon as you log in. Now, I would like to start from the top and see what all are the components in this platform. So, first one, what you see here at the top is dashboard. Dashboard will give you the details of all your accounts and how much money is there in your account. Orders would give you all the details of how many orders have been placed during the day, how many have been executed, are there any pending orders. So a whole list of orders will come if you have placed any orders during the day. Holdings will show what all are the shares which you are holding as of now in your demat account. Positions will be showing your positions which are open for this day. Okay, let's say if it is today you have taken certain positions, you have bought some shares, you have sold some shares, let's say you could have taken some positions in futures options, then all those positions are going to show here. Funds would show how much funds you have got in your account. Now the chart which you see here is the chart of HDFC Life which I have opened here. Now coming to a little maneuvering over how to view the chart. The chart is showing here 1 hour, so that means this is a 1 hour candle. If I want to go for 30 minutes, then I get a 30-minute candles. Then if you want to have the views, there are different views. If I have already saved, you can, if you already saved something, you can see it here. Display would show you that what type of charts you want to see. If you want to see a bar chart, you can select bar chart. If you want to see a line chart, you can select line chart. Okay, I prefer either only the line chart or the candle chart. There are so many other charts which you can select if you know how to use them. The studies here would show many other things which are there. For example, if you want to see moving average, okay, so you can type your moving average, and if you type moving average here, the moving average is going to come here. You can select which moving you average you want in the study itself. Let's say you want to have moving average of 5 moving average, then I select this as 5 and I say done. So what I've got now is a 5 moving average. Now you could have other studies also. Let us come to the left hand side bottom of the screen. Here you see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are watch list number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in each watch list you can add 50 stocks or indices, or it could be even 50 futures options contracts also. For example, here I've added all these stocks in list number 1, list number 2 I've taken this, list number 3 I've taken this, depend upon what I've used this for. So one could be the stocks which I want to keep a watch on. Number 2 could be the stocks which I already have the shares in. Number 3 could be something, could be possibly I want to watch for in the future. Number 4 could be futures options positions. So depending upon what you want, you can devise and you can keep the watch list as you want. Now, for example, if you want to add any stock here, and if I want to add Dr. Reddy and on NSE, I go here and I say it is already added. If I add it here, then it is going to show me Dr. Reddy in this list. Now, if I want to see how the chart looks, I can click on this. The chart of Dr. Reddy's stock is going to show. Now, let us see how to take a trade on intraday basis on Zerodha. Now, for taking an intraday trade for a long trade, that is for buying trade, you can go on the buy option. And once you go on the buy option, this option will open. Now, I would like to show you the details of what all are there. Now here it shows as MIS. MIS means margin intraday square off. What does margin mean? It simply means that if you have got 100 rupees in your account, you could take between 3 times, 5 times, or sometimes even 10 times the trade with extra leverage, which it says. So even you might be having 1000 rupees, you could trade sometimes depending upon what is the leverage which is offered. You could be trading up to 3000 or 4000 rupees exposure, also sometimes even 5000 rupees exposure. So CNC is the next option. CNC says cash and carry. So if you want to buy the shares and keep it in your account, then you can go for this option. Then you see a market and you see a limit. Market order would mean that if you want to buy at whatever is the market price which is offered right now, then you can select the market option. But if you think that no, you don't want to buy on the market, you want to buy it at a particular limit price, means the price which you want. Right now the price which is going is 4322. You say no, I don't want to buy at 4322, I would like to buy at 4300. So if you put 4300 over here and if you say limit, and then once you click buy, your order is going to go in the exchange, and the quantity whatever you have put here, if you want to you can change it. If let's say you want to buy 10 shares, so 10 into 4300, first of all 43,000 rupees has to be in your account, and once you put a buy order, then this order is going to go in the exchange. Whenever the price comes to 4300 during the day, the trade is going to get executed. If the price does not come to this level during the day, the orders get cancelled at the end of the trading period. So this is how you can put a intraday order. Now 4,300 into 10. So does it mean that you have to have 43,000 rupees in your account? Friends, that is the benefit of the margin trade or the MIS trades. In MIS trade, what happens is if you can take, let's say, 3 times or 4 times, probably you would not require 43,000 rupees in your account. You may require, depending upon what is the leverage which is offered, you might require just 10,000 or 15,000 rupees in your account, and you could take a trade for 5 times, 3 times, depending upon what is the leverage which is given. If you have bought 10 shares at 4,300, which is the price, and obviously as a margin requirement, you might have paid the lesser amount, I'm assuming around 10,000 rupees, and it would simply mean that for 10,000 rupees you are buying something worth 43,000 rupees. If at the end of the day the price goes, if you bought it at 4,300 and the price goes to 4,400, that means there is 100 rupees profit in your account. 100 into 10 shares, you would have 1,000 rupees total profit. And if your investment was 10,000 rupees, then your return on investment would be 1,000 divided by 10,000, that is almost 10% on one intraday trade basis. So this is how, if you take the MIS orders, you can take benefit of extra leverage, where instead of 43,000 rupees, I'm assuming that given the margin, you are taking a trade only for 10,000. And if you make a profit of 1,000 rupees, the profit ROI or return on investment works out to almost 10% in one single day. So this is how, friends, you can take a intraday trade. But you have to remember one thing, that at 320, the intraday trades have to be squared off. Remember what it says, intraday square off. Square off would mean that if you have bought during the day, then at 320 latest, you have to sell this, whatever is there in your account. So once you have bought it, as I said, it will show in your positions. Whenever you want to square off, whenever you want to, that is, if you want to, whenever you want to sell it off back again, then you can go into the positions, click on that particular item which would show as Dr. Reddy's. It will show that you have got 10 positions, 10 shares in the position. You select that, and once you select that, you say exit, and when you press the exit option, the sell option is going to open, and then you can sell at either the market or limit depending upon what you want to sell at. So friends, this is how you can take an intraday trade in Zerodha platform. Hope this video was useful to you. If you have liked this video and you would like to have such more videos, you can subscribe to this channel by pressing on the bell icon. Thank you once again. This is CA Paresh Desai. Thank you very much.